Dude, this is crazy.
I like how we came here. It's like soothing my mosquito bites after Pfrommer Woods.
And away we go.
Nice.
Nice.
Feels like there's this nice symmetry. It's wide open. There's no tiny trees. We had a similar night last year that was so powerful. I wrote a story about it. We're kind of right back there.
I know.
It's a reunion.
Can't see anything out there. It's Canada.
It makes it feel like you're on the edge of the world.
Totally.
Yeah, it just, I mean, it feels like ethereal. It feels unreal.
We have found spaces where we feel inspired and comfortable and like we can grow. And there's something about the like physics of disc golf that is enlivening, and learning it makes me feel like I'm learning something about the world and myself.
Today was arguably frustrating, right?
Yeah.
We're going out and we're having really tough rounds.
Yeah.
And we're enjoying it, you know?
Yeah.
The physics is enjoyable. While we're getting bit up by mosquitoes, the filming each other is enjoyable.
Sorry. It's buggy.
It's quite the warm-up routine you got. This is, I think, the first time where we were giving back and forth kind of like advice for different shots, and it's like we're fluent with it in a way that it's like I'm watching your craft, you're watching my craft. Why don't you straddle out and hit this gap?
With forehand?
I was thinking backhand, but yeah, forehand would be good.
I don't think I can get.
Yeah, I don't think you can.
You gotta go like this.
I think if you can get through over here, it looks the best. Oh yeah. And I know we're not like talent infused young people. We're like we're the opposite of that. We're in
I'm 34.
Well, yeah, I'm
learning something
33.
new.
Yeah, exactly. And like, you know. Oh, nice putt, dude. We're both striving to hit 300 on a really good toss. I love it more than I ever have.
Nice. I made a couple of decisions today that I wouldn't have made otherwise, partially because Pfrommer Woods is difficult, and partially because I wasn't feeling it. I threw a 2-speed disc on a 300-foot hole, hit my line, and had an easy upshot. I don't care if it gets to the pin, I just want to go in the gap.
I'm where you are.
And then I had that thought where I'm like, I'm not a pro. I don't need to get there in one. What if I did that all the time? What if I just got really good at hitting my line, making my upshot, got a par?
Absolutely a par.
If I did that every time, I'd be so thrilled. And then who knows what comes from there?
I see so many videos, and I get it. You know, there's something sexy about the quest to throw 500 feet, but so many of the pros, even young pros, are getting injured. Like, my sexy quest is I want to be doing this at like 60.
Yeah. That went in. Let's keep going, man. Let's keep doing this.
I'm into it.
Thanks for playing, Pat.
Yeah, man.
Pfrommer Woods, Williamson, New York. A lot of apples out here. It's wooded. We're close to Lake Ontario. We've got our wives behind us hanging out. It's fun. I like this.
Yeah. Pfrommer out.